How to add more motion blur to your animations in Premiere Pro. If you want to add more motion blur to your animation in Premiere Pro, it's actually a simple process. Motion blur can give your edits a much more impactful effect. In fact, to demonstrate this, I have two examples of the same keyframes, with one having motion blur and the other white out. As you can see, the one with motion blur stands out more. So, how can you add more motion blur to your animations? Well, it's not that different from what you usually do, but instead of using the default transform, you need to use the transform plugin in Premiere Pro. This is because you can use motion blur in the transform plugin and not in the default transform. Here's an example to show you what I mean. To get started, simply go to Effects and search for the Transform plugin. Then drag it to where you want the plugin. Next, go to the Effects control and create a keyframe for position. For this tutorial, I will show you how to make a slide transition with the same animations as the one white out motion blur. So create a keyframe with the footage and view and move it forward a bit. Now create a new keyframe at the beginning with the footage out of view. Make sure to ease in the keyframes and make your graph look like mine for a smooth animation. Now, to add motion blur to your animation, simply set the shutter angle to 360 for a maximum motion blur. You can also adjust this to a lower value if you prefer. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.